How to remove Edge in Windows 11. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can remove Edge in Windows 11. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to hit the Windows plus R button, open up Run, and type in regedit. And once it's opened up, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto this address bar right here. So go into your local machine and then go into software and then scroll down, go into wow 6432 node. Now some people might not get this, or when they just simply open up and go into software it might not appear. So what you need to do is you can just simply type it over here as well. So just go ahead and type in slash wow 6432 node and then go into Microsoft and then scroll down and go into Windows and then go into current version, and in current version you will find the uninstall folder, and then in uninstall scroll down, go into Microsoft Edge right here, and then over here just simply click on no remove right here. You will see I've already done that. Just change the value to 0. Your value default will be 1, so just change it to 0 and click on OK. Now, if you open up Windows and go into the App Manager or type in Add or Remove Programs, just simply search for Edge over here and click on the three buttons, and you will see you have the uninstall option now. So that is how you do it. That is how you remove Edge in Windows 11. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.